तुमका देव बरो दीस दिव फादरान सांगितलं हांव उजवाड दितो हांव काळका पडलो पूण कितें घोट तें हांव मातशें थोडी कोंकणी आनी इंग्लिशी उलयतां कितें पयलीं फावटीर हे सांकवाळ म्हणटा तें उतर आतां हें गडबड जाता ही हें आतां आयकलें लास्ट 1-2 वर्सांनी म्हाका ते व्हडले कायदे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ते व्हडले समजना बट एक लोकल जावं ले पीपल कळटा ते अशें म्हाका कळटा हांव एक जाणा 100% शुअर पयलीं कायद्यान या 1947 क्लियर कट आझादी मागील त्या दोना हांव मुगले पुरो जाल्ले कोणी जाले इंडियाचे सगळे पुरो जाल्ले ते कोणी गोंयांत नासले ते दुसऱ्या गांवांत आसले जोगळे तेजे उपरांत फ्रीडम मेळ्ळो फ्रीडम मेळ्ळ म्हणटकीर दॅट फ्रीडम वॉज फॉर एवरीबडी वेदर हिंदू क्रिश्चन मुस्लिम जैन सीख एनीबडी सो ते दोना एक कायदे बरयले आनी त्या कायद्यान बरयल्ले with respect to religious structures, there has to be status quo except Ram Mandir Ayodhya issue. Because that issue was already there. And ही story आहे already मुगे व्हिडिओचे पहिले एक्सप्लेन केलेली गेलत्या वर्साक हे वर्साक टायमराचे ऑन जाताय सारखे एक वर्सा येताय ते So तेदोन हांवें सांगलेलें why should I listen to your justification whether a temple was there underneath that church or not? The question does not arise. ते म्हणटा थिंग होणी भितो वच अरे भितो वचपाक प्रश्न येयना. Go back to 1947, it is clearly told if there is a church, nothing to be bothered. What is underneath the church? Question cover into simple hai. This is just +1 + 1 2. So हांव म्हणटा तुका तो आतां हे थिंग पळयताय ते म्हणटा ते 50 देवळा हातार आसतले अरे देवळा हातार आय देवळा मुर्ती आहा सगळे आहा फायन बट व्हॉट डज द लॉ से? If the church is there, you will not touch it. Question काबार झाले तो डिस्कशन किती जाय दुसरे तो धमकी दिता तो म्हणटा चोय राम मंदिर जालें तेश कोन्न जातले 400 वर्सांनी सो आनी 400 वर्स देखून एवरी इयर तूं येतलो सो यू वॉन्ट टू कम टू इन्स्टिगेट एवरी इयर फॉर अनदर 400 years. So as the minorities become less and less, you will go on bringing 10 people extra every year and try to show your majoritarianism. म्हणजे तुगे भाशेन more number, more power. अशे so constitution म्हणून कितें जाय ते rule book कितें जाय so the question does not arise. हे तेगेली ही फोकाड घेवन म्हणतो ना. दुसरे he talks about फकत घोडे म्हणटा हे फादर एश कोताय तो बिशप एश कोताय हे फादरी असले पाद्री तेसले आमक ते इंटरेस्ट ना. आय एम नॉट विथ द चर्च बिकॉज ऑफ द परफेक्शन ऑफ द प्रीस्ट ऑर द बिशप म्हाका कोण गेलना दे मे नॉट बी परफेक्ट. आय एम विथ द चर्च and I am continuing my faith as a Christian because of the person who is perfect, who has made this Christianity म्हणटे भाशेन. तो तुही म्हाका धमकी दिवपाक गरज ना. हांवें सांगलो तेका तो म्हणटालो थिंग मिस करून दिसना तेका सांगलो फर्स्ट डे 8 o'clock हांवें थिंग उबो रावता चोयत तुका हांव तुका मिस करून दिना तो. दिस इज माय फेथ. आय मे बी रिलिजियसली नॉट परफेक्ट फायन and don't teach me what is patriotism. These people don't have to teach us Christians patriotism. We know in Kerala almost 90 acres of land has been willingly given for science and research. VSSR, Vikrama Sarabhai Space Center and ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, 90 acres of land has been just given away, which belong to the fisher folks in Tumba. 90 acres, where Vikram Sarabhai and Homi Baba happened to come, and they had requested through some source. And the bishop there very willingly gave. Why? Because we keep nation above religion. For us, the interest of the nation is of prime importance. And we have proved this time and again. So we don't need any certificate from these people to tell us whether we are patriots or we are gaddars. Last, these dictators type attitude koda hai India. These people depend on what? Take it kotha mere enemy पर गावासत anu the wound. Dictators' major habit is try to pierce into the wound which has been healed. They try to go deeper and deeper. They want to bleed. They want to bleed more and more. Heal the song thonda. Ante bleed karo sakta hai. They want to put their fingers deeper to check how much we can bear. Ek pusar, don pusar, we bear because we want peace. But nobody should take advantage of our peaceful mind. And last and final, I want to tell this same place, Sancoale, legality किती हाती तुमचं आहे. तो मोठा थिंगा कंस्ट्रक्शन जाता. तेगे 3-4 पॉइंट आहे जाऊन क्लियर करता सो दॅट वो अनको पॉइंट गेली तर एकान जबाब देखून दिवपा गरज ना. तो मोठा ती कंस्ट्रक्शन जाता. And he is instigating people saying that it is a protected site. Yes, I. Oh, who in law, illegal bungalow in law, old Goa. Permanent bungalow in law. Till today, I have never seen this fellow fighting for that illegal bungalow in the protected site. That bungalow which is come is not come in the bishop's property. It is not come in the property of the priest. It is come in the property of the protected area of the ASI. So where were these people to fight against that permanent structure which is still lying strong? And this man is talking about permanent structure at that site. I'll stand by them. If it is a permanent structure, these structures are all temporary for certain number of days and through the permissions. While Esrakel Idu, old Goa Pendal Gada Misa, San Francisco Shire, Tom Sokoito side. So there San Francisco Shire Gale, Festa Sam Pendal Gatai, Teta O Magi Atola, and Tingyatola and Mutola, this construction is going on. So where does this stop? And last and final Sangilte Bashin, it was Prime Minister Modi. He has made a clear declaration that this Mandiram here, which will be a big pride for the Indians, and he, one day before the Supreme Court judgment came, I remember he came on media and he said, please be at peace. He told everybody be to peace. Probably he knew the judgment and he told people to have peace and stay peacefully. And all the Muslims, Christians, Hindus, everybody stayed in peace and handed over that place after through the Supreme Court. So now, don't take that as a example and try to instigate in Goa. Please stop this. No bunkers, no issues anymore of Sancoale. Sancoale is a dead issue. No more bringing the Sancoale issue. Go do whatever you all want to do. Devara Guru.